In the barren deserts of Egypt, over 1,500 years ago, a quiet revolution was happening. Not one of armies, but of searching souls. Among the early Christian wise men and women, few voices had such wisdom and clarity as Abba Poeman, whose very name means shepherd. And a shepherd he was, guiding not sheep, but the battered, weary hearts of people, much like us. Father Poeman lived during the 4th and 5th centuries, part of a gritty group known as the Desert Elders. They left behind the noise and ambition of city life in the Roman Empire to wrestle with themselves, with God, and with the raw realities of the human heart. Abba Poeman lived from 340 to 450 A.D., the leader of the monastic community in Sectus, Egypt, known for gentleness, patience, and penetrating wisdom. His sayings are among the most recorded of any desert elder. Unlike some who chose harshness, Poeman was known for compassion. He understood that transformation comes not from crushing people, but from meeting them where they are. One of Poeman's most famous sayings is simple but piercing. Do not give your heart to that which does not satisfy the heart. In our age addicted to distraction, achievement, and outrage, those words hit harder than ever. Consider now, deeply, what they mean for you. Silence is full. Poeman taught that silence isn't empty, it's full. That judgment of others poisons the soul. That patience with ourselves and with others is not weakness, it's the slow work of genuine strength. If you have love, you need nothing else. Simple, straightforward, and challenging. And essential if we want anything more than surface-deep lives. Abba Poeman isn't an irrelevant spiritual ancestor. His wisdom still speaks. In a world that tells us to shout above the noise, hustle more, and toughen our hearts, Poeman invites us to slow down, listen deeply, and discover the peace that can't be bought. If you're curious about the ancient wisdom that speaks sense and hope into our noisy and fractured world, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and join us as we explore more wisdom from the desert, where real treasures are buried.